Hey, it's Whitney. Today I have an unboxing of my favorite vegan subscription box. But before I get to that, something even more exciting for you is a time-sensitive giveaway. So I'm giving away over $100 worth of organic vegan protein powders and supplements. This is a company that I recently reviewed on the channel called Ideal Raw. So if you're watching around the time that I posted this, you should definitely go and enter. There's a link down below in the description field. You get a bundle of all their products, which again is worth over $100. I have been loving their probiotics. I recently tried the Calm last night actually, and I think it worked really well because I slept incredibly well. And I love their protein shakes. They taste super good. They're sugar-free. They have great flavors. I love the chocolate peanut butter, this one. And I put them in my coffees. I've just mixed them with non-dairy milks, and they're really, really lovely. So if you're wanting to try these out, this is a great opportunity. This giveaway runs until Monday, September 10th. So it's coming up very soon after I post this video. So be sure to enter. It's super easy. All you have to do is join my newsletter, and then there are a few bonus entries if you want to some extra chances, because I'm going to pick someone at random. It's kind of like a virtual drawing out of a hat. Like you get all these little tickets for every entry, and then I just pick someone at random. So you could win. Good luck. Again, the link is right down below. And now let's get into the unboxing. So I do these very regularly. Every month I get this subscription box, and it's always fantastic. I have no idea what's in this because I haven't been paying attention to their social media. I will say that if you decide to subscribe to Goddess Provisions, there's a link down below. They post a lot on their social media. Their Instagram specifically, is so good. But the problem is that they always post what's inside the box. And sometimes I just like to be surprised. So don't look at their social media if you want to be surprised before you get your box. And then you can look, because there are always really good pictures of it. And this one feels really heavy and jam-packed. They're always so different. I feel like it's a very, very good value. I've never been disappointed with one of these boxes, literally. And I always end up using their products. In fact, if you looked around my home, you would see Goddess Provisions sprinkled all over the place. Like over here beyond the camera, there's a stack of crystals because every box contains a stone, a crystal gem of some sort. I have essential oil products all over the place. Over there, I have a mug that I really want, candles. I mean, honestly, all over my home is something from these boxes, and I love them. And then whichever I don't like, I love to give as gifts. And if you didn't know this, I have a little like box program called the Eco Vegan Pal Box. I'll link to that down below too. And what I do is anytime I receive extra products or products that I'm not going to use, I want to ship them out to you. And basically you pay for the shipping and a little bit more for the whole process of running that business. And you can get a special box from me. So go check that out because they're selling pretty fast. This round that I did, I think this is the third time that I've created some boxes for people like you, and they go pretty fast. Okay. Whoa. Oh, wait, I did see someone posting about this. Maybe I did see it on their Instagram. Somebody posted about this book, and I remember thinking, that looks like a really cool book. Wow, I love how it's just like out. The first thing that you see, it's Little Book of Spirit Animals. And spirit animals are really fascinating. I've actually taken a few meditation classes about spirit animals, and it's a fascinating thing. So I'm excited to read this, and oh my gosh, it's like little definitions. What? This is so cool. Wow, it's almost like, this reminds me of like one of those books that tells you what your dreams mean, because in here oh my gosh, this book smells really good, which probably means that there's something really nice smelling in the box. But anyways, I feel like you can just learn more about your spirit animals. And if you've never dug into that, it's definitely a very spiritual thing. And I would recommend a class around it. So if you're in Los Angeles, there's a great class called a Den Meditation. So look that up and go to it, because the teacher was like one of the best meditation teachers I've ever had. Okay, next, this is so neat, and this explains why it's so heavy. oracle cards. I think these are so sweet. I actually have a few card decks. I have one from Chris Carr, which is probably my favorite one. It has really pretty artwork on it and like very positive. It's all like affirmations. And then I also have one from Louise Hay. So those are very nice. This might be something I give away because I feel like cards are not something that I personally use a ton, but I really appreciate them. So these are cards to awaken and deepen your connection to wild animal energy. I wonder if there's an animal theme to this box. Every Goddess Provisions box has a theme. We'll see as we go along. Cool. This is kind of cool, but I just don't know if I would use it fully, and I would rather give it to someone like you if you're really interested in this. So I'll think about it. What else? There's a sticker. Ooh, this is kind of cute. I'm not a big sticker person either. I appreciate them. Similar to the cards, don't use them, so I think I'll give this one away. But this is something that I use very often, which is Palo Santo. I love the smell of Palo Santo. It's this stick that people believe can clear energy and reset the vibration of your surroundings and your aura. Regardless, I think it smells really good. I don't know if that's the smell that that book has. There might be something else in here that has a good smell, but it's cool because Goddess Provisions will ongoingly, I don't know why I'm stumbling, etch in the, like a little phrase or something. And this one says wild and free. So that's really cool. I love it when they do that. Next, ooh, this is another reason why the box is heavy. There's this stone. I don't know what this is, but this is cool. Look at this. I don't know if the camera is going to do it. Oh yeah, that looks great on camera. Wow, how beautiful. No idea what that is. There's a little card at the end that'll tell me. Now maybe, yep, this is what smells so good. Oh my gosh. I'm a sucker for good smells, especially essential oils. Oh, this is so neat. So let's see if the little, sometimes you have to get it, something behind this to get it to focus up. It did for a second. I think it's also just so bright that the camera is really struggling. But anyways, this is called Rootfoot Bear for strong grounding, forces healing, and introspection. Neat. It has vetiver in it. Oh my gosh, I'm going to put some of this on right now. I put essential oils on almost every day, probably every day, multiple times a day. Sometimes I do it in the morning or when I'm about to go out somewhere at night, or if it's like a spray, I'll put it around me during the day just to keep my energy strong. Just the aromatherapy makes me so happy. And this one actually is a very masculine smell. I associate vetiver with masculinity. So it smells, yeah, wow. I don't know if I would wear this all the time, like as a perfume, but I think I would wear this if I was doing like a little ritual or something. It smells great. I just don't know if it smells great on me. Okay, what else? Ooh, maybe this is what made the book smell so good. So these are little incense sticks, and it's myrrh. Oh my gosh. So Goddess Provisions has sent a lot of like incense and candles, as I mentioned earlier, and I love burning things. Like I always want my place to smell good, so I'll burn Palo Santo or sage or candles, or I have my essential oil diffuser, or I'll burn incense, and this is one of the best smelling ones I've received. I will probably do this today. Ooh, it's such nice packaging too. Wow, it even says it's vegan on the back. Not that you really need to say that for incense, unless, is some incense not vegan? I mean, some perfume can be non-vegan. It can have animal products in it, so who knows? I guess anything can be non-vegan, which is really sad. All right, so that's what's in the box, and this is the card. And, oh yes, the theme of this month is animal guides. I love their cards too. So we have the oracle cards, the incense, which can help with your inner strength and your ability to overcome obstacles. Who doesn't want that? The roll-on fragrance. You put it on your pulse points to invoke the introspective spirit of the bear. Okay. The spirit books. I talked about the Palo Santo, the bison sticker. Actually, they did say you could put it on your water bottle, which is a kind of a cool idea. My water bottles could use some decoration, but again, I'll have to think about it. I'm not like, I think bison are cool, but this wasn't like I have to put this on something, and I love giving things to you, so I might do that. Ooh, so the last but not least is this is called the peacock ore, known as the stone of happiness. It infuses positivity into spiritual pursuits of understanding, intuition, dreaming, ancient wisdom, and transformation. Cool. And they tell you the values of everything in there. And it's always amazing to see how much this stuff would cost individually. I will link to each individual product for you if you just want to check out and maybe buy one. That's my text message. But if you want to buy the whole box, that's what I really recommend, because they pack so much in this, as you can see, and every single box is amazing. I think you can buy just one box at a time. I believe you can buy specific boxes. So if you want this one or any others that I've talked about, you can go on the Goddess Provisions website and get it, or you can subscribe, which I highly recommend because it's so fun and magical every month when they come. Thank you so much for watching. And speaking of magical, do not forget to enter the giveaway if you're interested in getting some of the Ideal Raw products. What's wonderful about the package that they're doing is, again, you get to try every one of their products. And if there's something that you're not that into, you can give it to somebody else so you can share. So go check that out. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I love hearing from you here on social media, via email. I truly am here for you on all of your eco-vegan journey. And also, if you sign up for the newsletter, I have special deals there and announcements. Like, I announced the giveaway, so sometimes you hear about things before I talk about it anywhere else. And I've been pouring my heart into sending these emails every week. They are better than they've ever been before. So check that out. Thank you again. I look forward to hearing from you. And until next time, I'm wishing you all of the very best on your own eco-vegan journey. Bye.